We are just starting to see our weather. I mean, like every day, Aaron is promising we're probably going to see some weather pretty widespread on some days, right, Aaron?
Especially as we get into the weekend, yeah. So I will say the difference with us in Houston right now, we don't have any flood watches in place. I do think we're going to watch for that isolated flooding threat each and every afternoon. And then as we get closer to the weekend and the rain and storm coverage picks up, that's when we're looking at the possibility of more widespread flooding for at least parts of North Texas. But as we look at First Alert satellite and radar, it's cloudy. We've got these light scattered showers for a lot of spots to the west of I-35, and then there's been some steadier and at times even heavy rain to the east. Now we switch it on over just to radar, where we're seeing some of the heaviest rain right now, kind of moving over Canton, headed towards Edgewood, Gun Barrel City, so moving to the north and northwest. So we'll start to see that getting a little bit closer to Kaufman here in the next 30 to 60 minutes. We've got a couple of storms moving their way through Cook County over into Montague County and then over the border into Oklahoma. These storms have a good bit of lightning, but nothing has been severe this afternoon. Just heavy rain at times, maybe some gustier winds and lightning with some of those isolated storms. But most of this activity is expected to begin to wind down once we lose the whatever sunlight we've seen. Most of us have seen cloudy skies, but you get to about 7 o'clock tonight and the rain chances at 20%, and most of tomorrow rain chances only at about 20 to 30%. So I actually do think that while it's going to be cloudy tomorrow and there may be a little drizzle, even an isolated shower from time to time, overall the weather, the radar expected to be a lot less active tomorrow compared to what we've seen today. Then you notice into tomorrow night, 20% coverage. Friday, most of the day is dry, 20% coverage and a high near 90 degrees, but then 60% coverage into the evening. And that's when we're likely going to see our next shot of more widespread rain and storm activity. So here's First Alert Futurecast. Friday morning, cloudy skies, isolated showers. That coverage is at 20%. Into the afternoon, maybe seeing a few peaks of sun from time to time. But you notice we've got some storm activity out to the west as we get towards 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Still not in Graham and Breckenridge or Bowie just yet. But once we get to 7 o'clock, you get this little line to start to roll through. So some gustier winds will certainly be possible along with that heavy rain. And we're just getting started with the heavy rain because we've got that coverage really ramping up as we get into the weekend. Saturday, 80% coverage. That continues into the overnight hours. Sunday, Mother's Day, coverage is at 70%, and we're looking at 60% coverage into the evening as well, and the rain and storm chances are going to linger into next week. So we've really been watching this rainfall potential, and the one thing I will say, while we don't want any flooding concerns, the models have been pretty consistent, I'd say, for the last 24 to 36 hours of kind of bringing some of the heavier rainfall amounts a little farther to the west of I-35, which would be beneficial. That's where we're dealing with the most drought conditions right now. So 7-day forecast. I guess it's kind of spring-like. You've got rain and storms in the forecast each and every day. Temperature is expected to be below normal. Highs in the upper 70s and low 80s even for the weekend, guys.